Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on Apple Watch Ultra 3 using this watch's settings. So first of all, let's unlock the Apple Watch and then press the digital crown to open the list of all applications. On this list, scroll to the settings and then open them. Then in settings, you have to scroll down to the general section, and in general, scroll all the way down until you find reset option. Now select erase all content in settings, enter your passcode, scroll down and select erase all to confirm. And now just wait until the factory reset operation is performed. Okay, once you see the Apple logo and the loading screen, you're gonna have to give your watch a couple of minutes more until the operation is fully finished. And after a moment, the factory reset operation will be complete. For me, it's already. Unfortunately, the battery is low level, so I cannot show you exactly what you should see on the screen of your Apple Watch, but generally speaking, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.